In recent years, the revolution caused by big data, cloud computing and virtualization has driven the need for even higher port density in data centers. Fiber counts have increased from 72 to 96 and now to 144 fibers per 1U, and 40 and 100 gig ready applications can now be implemented in day one installs. Siemon's brand new pre-terminated fiber solution for providing maximum connectivity in the lowest amount of space is the LightStack ultra-high density fiber system, an end-to-end low-loss fiber solution designed for high-performance data centers. Siemon engineered and designed, the LightStack system consists of an elegant and stylish-looking enclosure with high-performance, low-loss plug-and-play modules, pass-through adapter plates, MTP trunks, and hybrid MTP to LC trunks. With 1U of rack space, LightStack provides 144 fibers via the LC interface and a remarkable 864 fibers via a 12-fiber MTP interface. Despite its very high density, the LightStack enclosure allows unmatched accessibility for rapid moves, adds and changes without frustration. Revolutionary sliding trays can be pushed forward, giving full access to rear connections when enclosures are stacked. Offering excellent compatibility with traditional jumpers or even greater accessibility using Siemens Blade Patch LC jumper, LightStack offers best-in-class access to all connections in the front or rear of the enclosure. Revolutionary horizontal front cable management with rotating clips keeps things neat, while rear cable management is optimized using multiple rotating tie-down points to facilitate a smooth bend radius. Modules and adapter plates can be easily removed and replaced. LightStack features a magnetic hinged door that eliminates the potential to pinch fibers. The door is combined with an innovative labeling system that is hidden until needed and provides ample space for easy administration and documentation. LightStack brings Siemon quality and innovative design to bear on the problem of increasing density while ensuring ease of use. LightStack, the end-to-end high-density fiber solution for tomorrow's data centers, today.